Have you ever thought about starting an online business, wondering where to begin? You're not alone. In the digital age, many are turning to the internet for a slice of the entrepreneurial pie. Online businesses offer a wealth of benefits, including flexibility, minimal startup costs, and the potential for high returns. Whether you're seeking a side hustle or a full-time gig, the online world is teeming with opportunities. Stay tuned as we delve into the top online businesses you can start as a beginner in 2023. First on our list is dropshipping, a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Imagine starting a business without the burden of inventory cost or risk. That's dropshipping for you. It's a beginner-friendly model that allows you to test various products without any financial risk. However, it's crucial to collaborate with a dependable supplier. Your reputation is on the line after all. So, if you're interested in retail but worried about managing inventory, dropshipping could be a great fit for you. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. Perfect for beginners, this business model requires minimal startup costs, opening up a world of potential for passive income. The trick? Choose products that resonate with your audience. If you're passionate about fitness, promote gym gear. If you're a foodie, kitchen gadgets could be your thing. Remember, relevance is key. With affiliate marketing, you can start earning money from your online traffic without needing your own product. Last but not least, blogging, a platform where you can share your thoughts, knowledge, and experiences with the world. As a beginner, blogging is a great choice due to its minimal startup costs. It opens up opportunities for multiple streams of income such as sponsored posts, advertisements, and even selling your own products or services. The key to a successful blog is finding a niche you're passionate about. This will keep you motivated and your readers engaged. If you love writing and sharing your ideas, then blogging could be the online business for you. Starting an online business might seem daunting, but with the right information and guidance, it's completely achievable. Whether it's dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or blogging, each offers unique opportunities for beginners. The beauty of these online businesses is their flexibility and scalability. With determination and consistency, you can turn a small start into a thriving venture. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time to start is now. So what are you waiting for? Start your online business journey today.